Hello friends, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be talking about Nifty 50-30 minute time frame chart, right? That how it's unfolding, what we have analyzed in the last video and how it has unfolded, and what can be the projected probable outcome next week or any next pattern that we can identify. So here I have tagged the link to the last video. You can go and check that, and I'll summarize that video in 1-2 points lines. That we were expecting not to go below 21,700, as I have posted on the X platform, my handle, that I'll book the loss if it hits 21,700, but it reversed from here, which is 21,710, and it bounced sharply up. Here I have booked in this 22,050, right? I have booked my longs. It went down and again it went up Friday, right? So this was the first minimum target, 22,124. It has achieved that and some profit booking came, right? Next probable is this X top, in short, right? 22,204 it is. 22,201 is the target. You can take this around only, right? So now what next? As I have already marked this WXY, we concluded in the last video this could be the probable high probability WXY or ABC, right? But it went down and again came up. Two possibilities were there, that this could be A, B, C, right? But this doesn't seem to qualify the rules for the ABC, right? What are the rules that I can't say here because I'm not teaching anything here, or this is not the teaching video, right? We'll do sometime later. So this probably ends up in WXY, right? And as I said, that if not hitting 21,700, why 21,700? That was the breaching level of Y. That means if this price would have gone below 21,700, then this is not WXY as per my analysis. It has to reverse before 21,700 to qualify it as WXY. So it reversed, right? So this is WXY. Now what? Now this doesn't this doesn't seem to be an impulse to me, right? This doesn't seem to be an impulse to me till here. So what is it? It is again a corrective pattern only. Like this one corrective pattern is over fully, right? This second corrective pattern has begun and minimum target it has achieved, right? If it goes more to the upside, breaching this horizontal lines of 22,200 plus minus, beyond that again here the resistance is there in these blue lines. Means from here onwards, this red line onwards till this blue line, it's a resistance zone only. From 22,100 to 22,350 round, it is a resistance zone only. As you can see, the first hurdle it has encountered and profit booking, right? Maybe gap up here, again profit booking sometimes, but I can't suggest, sorry, I'm not SEBI registered advisor, because I won't do any long in this zone till here. If it keeps going up and starts trading above this blue zone, then only I will consider to be long, but with caution and with very high probability setup if any setup arises, else no long. I'll wait for any dip and then see, but let us not talk about this as of now because it has not reached here. So it is here. So what can be the probable outcome next? Two scenarios again, resistance and then downside, right? So what is this pattern? This could be then the first leg of this any corrective pattern from here, right? First leg. This is over. This could be the first leg, and then again a downfall may come, right? So until and unless it is clear above 22,350 or below 21,860, nothing can be said. It will be a I see that it will be a grinding thing coming up, right? Up, then maybe from here down, right? Here somewhere, then again up, right? This is the one possibility. Why? I'll tell you now. This whole thing seems to be a higher A completed. This is then B. This will be then C. This, if this B goes here, C can fail here also can breach here also. The C's trajectory or length or strength, everything depends where this B ends. If this B ends here, then again this C can be of any different form. It depends when this B ends. So we can't talk about this C as of now, right? So if this is A completed, this next corrective leg of B has begun. So B usually takes very grinding form sometimes. Either it is a grinding form, either it is very fast, right? So as of now I can't say that B has taken which form. It can be a triangle, it can be again something like this WXY, right, to the upside, right? It can be a triangle like A, B, C, D, E, right, then down. It can be anything simple. It can be something like this, where again something like W, X, Y, something may come, right? Or it can be a triangle A, B, A, B, C, D, E, something like this it can be, right? But we don't know, as this is a very nascent stage, early stage of B wave or the next corrective wave. If this is A, Elliot wave goes with ifs and buts only. It is very discretionary analysis. When we are clear about anything, then only we can project. So this is just a video to in continuation that this thing has been completed. The key points from this video you can take is long side, very tight stop loss, or take it with very caution, right? Until and unless this is breached to the upside, it's better. If it is not clear, it is better to sit out. Let this wave end to the upside and then downside wave also ends up. Then we can say that what kind of B this is forming. So in this video, I just want to say overall that the current upside pattern is not clear on 30 minutes chart because it has not completed. Take this as WXY for sure, as from me. take this upside as a second corrective leg, right, with these resistances zones, right, on 30 minutes chart. And if this is breached, then only a bear leg may begin. Else, until and unless B is over to the upside, and then we can catch C's top. But we need to be clear about the B wave first, right? One may plot A and B ongoing, right? We don't know C as of now because B is not completed. B can be completed only when we see some confirmation. No confirmation, it's an ongoing process only as of now. It's running B wave to the upside, right? So I'm not marking C as of now, just keep C here only. So B wave can go here also, it can fall from here also. As I have shown, it may make a triangle also. So it's not clear. So I'll be sitting out for 1 to 3 days and for my discretionary swing trading model on Elliot wave, but will be observing for sure and will keep updating. So please subscribe to the channel. This is my X handle. You can follow me here, right? And I'll post the Elliot wave update group, Telegram group link also in the description. Please follow me on Telegram also and on this X platform also, because here I keep updating the live market or any posts or anything. So please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So you may be thinking that nothing new has been told on this video because it's not clear. Elliot wave is a game of very patience. We caught a reversal here when it was here. We said that it may go down or up or it may reverse. We can catch reversals. Why I exited here? Because this red line was approaching and it was a gap up, and anticipation was it may fill this gap, this zone, but it didn't do on that day. But on next day it went here, it filled this, almost filled, right? It has touched this support zone and then went up. So until and unless in the backdrop the pattern is clear, the next pattern cannot be traded, right? So I exited here on that day just because I was anticipating that anytime today or tomorrow it may fall here, and I was holding options, so premium may melt. As you know, that premium of the options do melt whenever index tops for 30-40 minutes. The option makes a high and it never breaches that high until and unless index makes a new high and above that 50-60 points, then only option breaks the last high. So this is the case. So, and one more thing, if it's a low wick scenario, it's not, a good thing to trade option buying because premium doesn't move or it melts away very fast. So I may shift to futures again in this model, and my rule based other models, they are on futures only, right? So please take care. If you have made any profit, this market may take away that in this B wave if it is a very choppy wave. Thank you, stay tuned and take care.